Alright, what's poppin', everybody? I'm back with another leg day episode, y'all. This shit. So I'm skipping out on squats today because my overall, I feel like I've been tearing myself down for a bit with those. Just like going back to back with squats and deadlifts and all that shit. I just want to give my body a break to kind of just recover from all this shit. And like soon, I might take like a couple of days off during the week here. I don't know when, because I'm fucking obsessed with lifting and shit. And I'm one of those folks that I don't feel right if I'm not in the gym. So we'll see when the hell I make that happen. But for now, we're gonna start off with these hack squats, see what the hell we got going on, all right? This is my first warm-up set of the day. So let's get this shit rolling, y'all. Get these quads fucking warmed up. Oh, come on. Feeling fucking good today. And I might just be going for higher reps today other than just heavy ass weight because, again, my body's been taking a beating. I'm like, I gotta take a little easy on this shit. So let's get it. That's set one of the warm-up. Keep it rolling. All right, set two of these warm-ups. I'm still going without any knee sleeves because I want to see how they feel once I start getting heavy. Because hack squats, these are definitely one of the ones where my shit starts firing up. So I'm like, I wanted to see how far I can take it before I kind of need knee sleeves. Again, y'all, knee sleeves ain't crucial, but they help a motherfucker out here and there. So I will support the knee sleeve movement. All right, let's do this though. Okay, that's a good second warm-up set. The knees are feeling good, so I'm about to throw another plate on there and keep the knee sleeves off. See how we're feeling with 3 plates. Let's keep it rolling. Set 3. This might be my first working set. I've never done a hack squat to start off, so I might end up at 4 plates to see what the hell we're getting. All right, okay, let me not get ahead of myself. I gotta see what the fuck we're getting at this shit here. So I'm gonna see what the hell we got. Let's do this shit. Set 1 of a working set. Ooh, yeah, that's a good first working set. I don't even know how much I got actually. That might have been 8, maybe 9. Fuck, I'll take it though. That shit felt great. I might throw on the sleeves now after that. It's starting to get a little fired up, so let's do it. All right, y'all, let's do this shit. Set 2, working set. I'm definitely jumping up to 4 after. Well, it depends on how much I'm getting. What the hell am I talking about, right? It's I gotta see what the hell this fucking quads are feeling like after this one. This is gonna be, ooh, it's serious. We got the knee sleeves on, right? Oh, let's get it, y'all. Let me just contemplate life real quick. Oh, let's go. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, that was tough as fuck, but that's what we're here for, ladies and gents. Oh, funny, I say ladies. I know it's mostly boys watching this shit, so shout out to y'all. Come on, let's get this shit rolling. Set 3 heavy sets right here, y'all. These 3 plates and the 25 is heavy for me, y'all. Oh, my shit. Man, I love how this shit really gets the quads activated. Like, it gets them on 10. I think this one and the leg extensions almost give me the same stimulus on the quad. So I'm like, hack squat's the way to go. I'm trying to get these quads rolling and do it. Oh, come on. Oh, son of a bitch, bro. Oh, why? Why I do this to myself? I don't know. But we still doing it. We got one more set, y'all. Fuck it. Woo. Hopefully I don't fucking die. Last set of this bullshit, y'all. Come on. I don't even want to talk about this one, y'all. That last one. Oh man, they got me fucked up. Whatever though. What the fuck we here for? Oh, come on. Ooh. Oh, let the beat drop right quick. Let's go.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Ooh. Oh, light work, right? Light fucking work. Oh man, why I'm doing this shit? I don't know. Come on, let's keep it rolling, y'all. Oh, I'm moving on from those big exercises up to this fucking calf raise here, man. You know, some of my favorites because, you know, as a big boy, you just naturally get some big calves, and you got to make sure we keep up with them. You know, it's just maintenance at this point, but let's make it happen either way. Come on. Oh yeah. Woo, shit. Oh, that felt great. Oh, fucking great. I'm not being sarcastic. That shit feel good. Huh. Let's keep it rolling. All right, y'all. Let me give y'all a little tip when it comes to calf raises. Do not play yourself with the weight, because our calves can usually handle a lot more than you expect just because we're using them all day, every day. And I see a lot of times people going for like really high reps and shit. And look, if you're looking for growth, definitely with calves, you still want to go for like 8 to 10, but go heavy as fuck. Like, you should be struggling like a motherfucker at 8 to 10. If not, you're really going to be missing out on some gains, y'all. So, man, don't fucking play yourself with those, all right? Let's see what we got here today.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Woo. Oh, man. And look, another thing with them, you want to make sure you get a big old stretch at the bottom of it, because that's where you're really fucking ripping off the muscle there. Or ripping up the muscle. And that's where all that growth comes in, all right? So don't play yourself at the bottom. Control it all the way up and down. Cats, grab raises for you. All right, last set of these. I only do 3 sets of these smaller muscle groups, y'all. Let's burn these bitches out. See what we got. Come on. Fucking hell. Oh. That's how we finish these hordes off, y'all. Let's keep it rolling. Let's see what else we got next. All right, y'all. We're going to try out these Bulgarians. Man, I haven't done Bulgarians in like, 5 months. So it's like, time to hop back on the train, y'all. This shit is, I don't know why I'm doing this to myself, but hey, let's do this. There ain't no pictures around here. Oh, Lord. Come on. Lord have mercy. Oh, I don't know why I just did that, y'all. Okay, we calling it with that set. Oh man, I'm dizzy. I'm dizzy. All right, y'all. Set 2. I kind of went up on weight. 55 is feeling good, but it felt a little too good, so I'm like, fuck it, let's go 5 more pounds. Let's do 60s on this bitch. Sure, I want to die after these, but and late day, that's just what you go through, y'all. Come on, let's go.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Jesus Christ. Oh, okay. Hold on. Oh, Lord. Why do we even got legs, bro? Why are legs even a fucking thing, y'all? I don't know who made this shit up, but I'm about to sue their ass for emotional distress because I'm fucking dying. Whew. Oh, yeah. Let's get it, y'all. Ooh, set 3. We are going heavier because, man, I'm not trying to do high reps with this shit. I'm trying to get as much as I can out of it, you know? Oh, yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Now I'm trying to get the most out of it. I'm just trying to get this shit over with, y'all. All right, let's go. Oh, come on. Woo! Oh, my God. Why? Why? Oh, yeah. Call that set 3, baby. All right, y'all. Last set of these horns right here. I went up even more. I'm just going for like, again, I don't like to put a number, but I'm going to go for 5. Let's see what the fuck we got. I was going for 5 in the last set, but I got 6. So I'm about to juice these legs out, y'all. Let's do this shit. 70s, baby. It's been too long. Son of a whore. Ooh. About to shit myself, boys. This is fucked. Okay, hold on. I got a man spread for a second. Shit is bad. Oh my. Oh, I felt that everywhere. Arms, legs, core, the soul. Yo. Okay. That's how we finish off Bulgarians right there. Oh, okay. Let me get up some way, somehow. Oh, let's do this shit. Okay, one more exercise, y'all. And I'm calling it. Oh. All right, y'all. This is my last exercise of the day. I'm hanging on for dear life right now, so I'm not even going heavy. Let's do this shit. Oh my. Yeah. I don't even know what I'm still going for, but that's what we're here for. You know, bitches around here. I'm only doing 3 sets of this shit, y'all. I'm done for the fucking month with this shit now. Well, this shit down. Come on, let's go. Y'all can tell I'm about to yak up in this motherfucker. I am cooked. But like I said, you gotta finish this shit off. Let's do it.
Ryu, this is
I couldn't even get more than 7 no more, y'all. Tell y'all, my legs want to murder my ass right now. Oh man, come on. All right. Last but not least, you guys, I took a good break in between that last set because dead ass and not okay, but whatever the fuck, you do this shit. Oh, the fucking hair, my face. Fuck.
crazy.
And just like that, y'all, we are done and over with this fucking leg day. Let's go get a quick little, physique update and see what the fuck we got going on. I'm down almost 10 pounds, y'all, so let's check this shit out. Oh yeah, let's finish this off with a little pump check here. Let's see what the hell y'all going on. Again, I'm almost down 10 pounds. It's been only 3 weeks, but man, if you watch me on my stories, I'm trying to work on how fast I'm dropping. I'm probably gonna be slowing it down here soon because I've been dropping like crazy. But I mean, I still feel good. I'm hitting fucking numbers for the most part, so I'm like, shit, let's keep it rolling, right? But don't fix it if it ain't broken. But let's get this shit going. Come on. Oh yeah, that's cooked. Oh man. Ooh. Oh, should be Chaz out a little bit more. Come on.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Oh man. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh man, I'm done with this shit for today, y'all.
Ryu, this is
Thank y'all for tapping
crazy.
in yet again. I appreciate the support through my whole fucking heart, y'all. Keep on keeping on with me, y'all. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Go like, comment, share, subscribe, put your people on. And all right, I'll see you on the next one. Adios.